Number 1. Check server status, most common cause. The game often has maintenance, overloaded servers, new patch rollout. Check these places: official Where Winds Meet Discord, their Twitter, X, any maintenance notice inside the launcher. If servers are down, you cannot connect until they reopen. Number 2. Restart launcher as administrator. Right-click Where Winds Meet Launcher.exe, run as administrator. Fixes: blocked update request, version check error, update server denial. Number 3. Turn off VPN proxy network accelerators. The game is server region sensitive. Turn off VPN, warp, exit lag, no ping, any proxy, mobile hotspot proxy. Restart PC and launcher. Hashtag if you live in Pakistan, India, Middle East, try this. Some ISPs block China route. Try VPN with Singapore, Japan, Hong Kong, Germany. Once it passes version check, turn VPN off. Number 4, change DNS fixes 80% of update server issues. 1. Control panel, network and internet. 2. Change adapter settings. 3. Right-click Wi-Fi Ethernet properties. 4. IPv4 properties. 5. Use the following DNS: 8.8.8.8, 8.8.4.4. Save, restart PC. Number 5. Allow game in firewall. Windows Firewall may block the update server port. 1. Open Windows Defender Firewall. 2. Allow an app through firewall. 3. Add wherewindsmeet.exe, gamelauncher.exe. 4. Allow private public restart launcher. Number 6. Delete corrupt update files. Important. Launcher cache may break version check. Do this. 1. Close game completely. 2. Go to game installation folder. 3. Delete these folders. You can see the code in our conversation history, but 4. Reopen launcher. It will download fresh update files. Number 7. Reset Windows hosts file. If the hosts file blocks the update domain, you will never connect. Steps. 1. Run Notepad as administrator. 2. Open. You can see the code in our conversation history. 3. Remove everything except. You can see the code in our conversation history. Bot 4. Save. Restart PC. Number 8. Fix incorrect time and date servers. Reject your login if your PC time is not synced. 1. Right-click time. Adjust. 2. Enable time automatically. Set time zone automatically. 3. Restart PC. Number 9. Reinstall the launcher only, not the game. You don't need to re-download the full game. 1. Uninstall Where Winds Meet launcher. 2. Download the latest version. 3. Install and point it to your existing game folder. This fixes corrupted launcher, missing update module, broken version check.